I just got notification that there is a delivery from FedEx, and it was sent to the front door. The deliverer put it behind the planter, so it's hidden from the street. So I'm really glad they did that. This package is sent from Japan, and it's supposed to be insured and signed or with signature, but because of COVID, I'm suspecting that they are not doing contact delivery right now. This is Lily with Outfits from My Closet. And today's video, I am going to show you an unboxing of a purchase that I made from a Japanese seller from eBay. Recently, I've been looking more into the Damier Azur bags. I know that Damier Azur is a little bit higher maintenance than the eBay bags, but I just like how light it looks and how refreshing and how feminine it looks against spring and summer outfits. So with spring around the corner, I've been looking into crossbody bags. And online, I came across the Damier Azur Bosphore Crossbody bag. And that, I don't believe it's in production anymore, so I was browsing around and I saw several listings on eBay. Most of these are sold by Japanese sellers. So I found one that I liked that is in pretty good condition and yet not brand new. It does not come with a dust bag, and there's no accessories that come with it either. So it's just a plain Bosphore crossbody bag. Here's the package that I just received. The seller and I came to an agreement for the sale price, and it is just under $800, but with tax it is a little bit over $800. Items that are bought from overseas may be charged with duty with taxes. Luckily, this one I didn't. Here's the bag. And it's pretty well packaged. It has their business card or logo on here with an eBay sticker. And here is my auction receipt. It has my address, the seller's address in Japan, and it has the price that I bought it for. Arigato. That means thank you in Japanese. Let's take a look at the bag. It has this little protective layer inside the plastic. And here is the bag. The condition of the bag is actually better than what was photographed. I guess the photographs usually enlarge on the computer screen. You can see all the blemishes on the bag, but this one is actually pretty good. I do see some markings on the vachetta right around here. It's not perfect, but it's not too old or too raggedy either. The zipper is in perfect condition. It is not tarnished. And the vachetta by the front pocket is pretty evenly tanned. The zipper is really smooth here. And there's a top zipper. One thing that really drew me to the bag was the strap. The strap is really unique. It's in canvas, and it's really, there's a wide variety of adjustment from here all the way up to here. So really this bag is for anybody with any size, whether you're tall or short or petite like me. This strap is pretty good condition. I have noticed that a lot of auctions have straps that have a lot of, I guess, dirt and color transfer. This one is not too bad, and I wonder if I can just use a very soft brush and use warm water with soap and then brush it out. So a little blemish here, little markings here on the strap. The inside is a beige tan color. The stamping is on the side of the interior wall. This is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And let's look for the date code. The date code is in the front pocket. MI1088. So this bag was produced in 2008 on the 18th week. What a cute bag. Totally happy with this purchase. This is what the bag looks like on me, and for reference, I am 5 feet tall. So this is crossbody, what it looks like wearing it in the front. And I think this is a perfect length. I like the bag sitting right around my hip area. And this is what the bag looks like behind me. And I can also wear this as a shoulder bag. I can shorten this just a little bit more. This is the shortest length. So this is what it looks like on my shoulder, and it perfectly sits right around my hip.